What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. This is my snap-on toolbox that I bought about 15-16 years ago. I've been doing auto body out of this toolbox for that whole time in a shop. I've never been able to take every tool out of this and clean the drawers and clean it up because you're always doing work at work. So I've never had the opportunity. I am switching careers and this is coming home. So before I put it in the spot where I'm going to keep it here, I wanted to be able to go through everything, throw a bunch of stuff that I don't need out, clean every drawer, grease all of the slides, and get this, you know, as nice looking as I can, because I probably won't have another opportunity to do that. Like I said, I've been doing professional auto body in a shop out of this, so this toolbox is full with tools, and I just want to take the time to clean it all up and go through it, reorganize. I'm going to take a lot of these tools out and totally reorganize what I have going on. Stuff like this drawer right here just has junk in it that I don't need anymore. And you know, there's a lot of stuff that I'm going to be able to throw out that I'm not in a shop anymore. So I'm going to go through, like this drawer is just all hardware. I'm going to put that somewhere else, and we will go through it all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to time lapse me cleaning this up. It's probably going to take multiple days. I'm not going to be able to get everything done in one day, but I'm going to go through it all, clean out everything. I already started with that drawer right there. So I'm going to clean it up, and you know, if you guys have any questions or comments, let me know. I hope you enjoy the video.